Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Prince. My name is Deepak. I'm going to teach you all 9 subjects of physical science in detail. My courses are absolutely free of charges. My courses are going to help the students who are preparing for CSIR, NET, GATE, NT exam, PhD exam, SET exam, Tifr, Jest, IIT-Jam and other exams related to physical science. Okay. So this is the 34th lecture of mathematical physics in which I'm going to discuss interpolation and trapezoidal method, Simpson's methods. Okay, and also I would request the students who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and watch my free live lectures which are going to help you to crack the exams related to physical science. Okay, so let's get started guys. Okay, so this is interpolation. Okay, interpolation. Interpolation. Okay, interpolation. And so this is like y equal to fx. Okay, here when y means fx. Okay, function of x. Okay, so like we have been given these functions. Okay, like x equal to x naught, x1, x2, so on xn. Okay, and value of y, that is fx, this is going to be y naught, y1, y2 and yn. So the values of x are value of y are y naught, y1, y2, so on. Okay, now we'll study this forward difference. So what is forward difference? Okay, forward difference. Forward difference is this one, delta fx. Okay, delta fx equal to f x plus h minus fx. Okay, and here delta is called, this delta is called forward difference. Forward difference, that is delta square. Okay, my apologies, forward difference. Okay, it is called forward difference operator. Forward difference operator. Okay, now delta y naught. If delta y naught is given, so value of delta y naught is y1 minus y naught. Okay, so these are the values of x and y. Okay, so from here, so delta y naught is going to be y1 minus y naught, and similarly delta y1 if we have to find, so this is going to be y2 minus y1. Okay, now second order forward difference we will find. Second order forward difference. Second order forward difference, that is delta square. Okay, so that is delta square y naught. Okay, so this is represented by delta square, and delta square y naught value is delta delta y1 minus y naught is going to be equal to this one, y3 minus y2 minus y2 minus y1. Okay, in this same fashion. Now I'll give example. Okay, for example, right, we have a fx, this function is delta fx. Okay, that is log fx if we have this function. Okay, so this we can write this one, right, this delta fx is fx plus h minus fx, right? So this is going to be log fx plus h minus log fx. Okay, and by log property it is going to be log fx plus h upon fx. Okay, now second is backward forward difference. Okay, backward backward difference. Okay, backward difference. So we have already studied this forward difference. Now backward difference is denoted by this delta. Okay, this delta. Okay, and so in similar way we can find delta fx. This is forward. This is backward difference. Okay, so this is going to be fx minus fx minus h. Okay, and similarly delta square fx is going to be delta fx minus delta fx minus h. Okay, this one. Next is this central difference. Okay, central difference. Central difference. Central difference is going to be, that is denoted by del x, this del x, and that is f x plus h by 2 plus f x minus h by 2. Okay, the fourth is shift operator. Shift operator. Shift operator. Shift operator is denoted by e. Okay, so this is going to be, if you operate fx with shift operator, that is e, that is going to be f x plus h. Okay, and similarly e square fx is going to be f x minus 2h, and similarly en fx is going to be f x minus x, this is plus, guys. Okay, x plus f x plus 3h. Okay, my apologies, nh. Now relation between e and delta. Okay, shift operator and forward difference delta, or okay, or backward difference, this one. Relation between e and delta, or e and this backward difference delta, or we can find out e and forward difference delta. Okay, so this is like, we know here delta fx is equal to fx plus h minus fx, right? So from here backward delta fx is going to be fx minus fx minus h. Okay, so so we can write from here, right, this one. These are backward delta, guys. We can find forward as well. So this is from here we can write delta square fx. Okay, just delta, right? Delta fx. Okay, this one. Okay, delta fx equal to this one. This is different, right? This is correct. Okay, this page. Okay, so from here we can write backward delta fx is, we can write, this is fx minus, here you can see fx minus h means e to the power minus 1. Okay, and fx plus h means this fx plus e fx. Okay, this is going e to the power minus 1 fx. So from here backward delta is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus 1, and similarly we can find forward delta is going to be tradition, right, e minus e. Okay, so these are the different this is the relation between forward delta and backward delta and shift operator. Okay, delta and this forward delta within it. Okay, well, so this is about it. Now we'll study this one, Newton's forward interpolation. Okay, this is important, and questions are asked in NET from this topic, Newton's forward interpolation. Okay, so this is this is Newton's forward interpolation. Y naught plus delta u delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y naught forward. Okay, and plus u into u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 3. Okay, and then explain Newton's forward interpolation method. Okay, so question is, very good question, guys. X values are given, x values are given, that is 1 2 3 4, and y values are given, that is 1 7 17 and 31. Okay, so we know that this is x naught. I've already explained here, right? This one, x naught, x, it is called x1, x0, x2, so on, and y naught, y1, y2, so on, right? So these are, we know this is x naught, right? So I'll make a table. This is x naught, and okay, so this is the question. X and y value are given, and we need to find f 1.5. Okay, this we need to find f 1.5. We need to find f 1.5. We need to find. Okay, and also, guys, this one, and this implies f 1.5 means that implies value of x is 1.5. Okay, so fx, f 1.5 is the value. Okay, so we'll solve it. So first we'll find u value. I have already told the formula, x minus x naught upon h, x minus x naught upon h. X value is this, guys. Okay, 1.5 minus x naught is 1 upon h. H is 1, guys. First we'll find h equal to x1 minus x naught, or x2 minus x1. Okay, so x naught minus x1 minus x naught means 2 minus 1, that is 1. Okay, so this h value is 1. So from here the value is going to be 0.5. Okay, so this is the value of u. Now I'll make a table and I'll find value of delta y naught, delta square y naught, delta cube y naught. Okay, so this is going to be x fx, that is y. Okay, and then delta y naught, and then delta square y naught, and delta cube y naught. Okay, so this is x values are 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, and y values are 1 7 17 1 7 17 and 31. Okay, 7. Okay, so now this is, we know, that is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, and this is x3. Similarly, this is y naught, this is y1, this is y2, and this is y3. Okay, So now we'll find delta y naught. Delta y naught means y1 minus y naught, right? This value is going to be 6, and this is going to be y3 minus y2, right? So this value is going to be 17 minus this one. 17 minus this value is going to be 10. So y1 minus delta y naught is y1 minus y naught, y2 minus y1, and y3 minus so this we can write in between, okay? So this is this between, okay? So this is 10, and from here y3 minus y1, this is 14, okay? Now now similarly we'll find this minus this, okay? So this value is going to be 4, this minus this value is going to be 4. Now this minus this value is going to be 0. So this value is my apology, take forward, right? This value is y naught. We'll take this value as a delta y naught. This value is as a delta delta square y naught, and this value as a delta cube y naught. Okay. Now we'll put the value in the formula. Okay. So formula is by Newton's forward interpolation method, right? Y equal to y naught, okay, plus delta y naught. My apologies. U into delta y naught. U into delta y naught plus u into u minus 1 upon 2 factorial delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 u minus 2 upon 3 factorial delta cube y naught. Okay. Delta cube y naught. Okay, because there are only these terms. Okay, y naught. So we'll take till this, right? So now value of y naught value we know. Okay, so this is y naught 1 plus u value is I have already found 0.1 0.5. So this value is going to be 0.5. Delta y naught value is this. We'll take first terms only. Okay, so this is delta y naught. This is 6. This is 6 plus u into u minus 1 means 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 upon 2 factorial, and delta 2y is this value 4, right? This is 4 plus this is 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 upon 3 factorial, and delta cube y naught is value, will check, delta cube y naught is this value is 0, guys. Okay, so this value is going to be 0, means this term is going to be 0. There are only 4 terms, right? It means this will go till delta cube y naught. After that there is no term, right? So this formula will be till this one. Okay, so value of y is going to be 1 plus 3.0, and this value is going to be minus, we'll calculate it, 0.5. So this value is going to be minus 0.5 plus 0, because it is 0 value, because we multiply this with 0. Okay, so value of y is going to be 4 minus 0.5, that is 3.5. Okay, so this is y means f 1.5, f 1.5 is 3.5. Okay, this is the answer, guys. Okay, I hope you have understood it, guys. Next question is the same question, guys. We have same question, and we need to find out the polynomial for it. Okay, same question means that x equal to 1 2 3 4 and y equal to 1 7 17 31. Okay, so these are the values. Okay guys, so now you need to find polynomial of it. Okay, polynomial, you need to find polynomial. Okay, we will find first u is going to be x minus x naught upon h, right? Here I'll show you that is u, x minus plus u into delta y naught into delta square y naught plus u into u minus 1 u minus 2 upon x minus 1. Okay, and delta y naught is this value here, right? Y is going to be if we solve it, so this is going to be 2x square plus 6.5, or we can directly find it, right? So so now if we have given question, this type of question, right, we can easily find out polynomial for this question, and also we can easily find out value of f 1.5. Okay, and this is very good question guys, this type of IIT-Net. Okay, just value integration. Okay, so there are three rules which we'll study. The one is trapezoidal rule, second is Simpson's 1/3 rule, and the third one is Simpson's 3/8 rule. Okay, so first I'll will write integration. Okay, so we will solve that the integration by these three rules. Okay, so integration, if we have any integration that is from x naught to xn, okay, and fx dx, okay, that we need to find. Okay, so first we'll find n means number of interval. Okay, number of interval. Okay, n is number of interval, and value of h is that is going to be xn minus x naught upon n. Okay, xn minus x naught upon n, that is the value of h guys. Okay, how? I'll tell you. So we have given this, suppose we have given value of x r, this one, x naught comma x1 comma, or we can just write not comma. Okay, and we have been given y equal to function y naught, y1, y2, and so on yn. Okay, so this is what we have been given guys. Okay, so and this is y, or we can write fx. Okay, fx is this. Okay, so we have, if we have given this value, and we have to find the integration of one interval to second, that's on, right? And then we'll find value of h is xn minus x naught, the last term minus first term upon n, the interval. Okay, so this is about the integration. Now I will solve question, right, by different three methods. Okay, so but before that, I'll explain trapezoidal method. There are three methods we are going to use to solve this type of integration. Okay, I'll solve question, then it will it is going to be more clearer to you. Okay, so first is trapezoidal method rule, trapezoidal rule, trapezoidal, 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 trapezoidal rule. Okay, trapezoidal rule. Trapezoidal rule is going to be like this. Okay, 2 in, that is first term plus last term, here first term plus last term. Okay, and then plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus so on. Okay, so this is the trapezoidal rule, or we can write like this one. Trapezoidal rule is like I equal to this, I equal to h by 2 initial term plus final term, okay, plus 2 into all remaining term, okay, remaining term. Very simple, right? This is the trapezoidal formula, guys, okay. If we have such type of integration by trapezoid formula, it is going to be h by 2 first term plus last term, then plus 2 into sum of remaining term, okay. Next is Simpson's 1/3 rule, okay. This is Simpson's 1/3 rule. Simpson's 1/3 rule, okay. So that is going to be that I equal to, this is h by 3 1/3 rule, okay. Y naught plus yn first term plus last term, right? These are this one, y naught plus yn, okay. These are the values, okay. And y naught plus yn plus 4 into y, right? 2 plus 4 plus so on, okay. Or we can write I equal to h by 3 into first term initial term plus final term I plus f plus 4 into sum of odd terms plus 2 into sum of even term, okay, sum of even term. Sum of even, okay. This is the sum of even number, okay, even, right? Next is third rule is Simpson's 3 by 8 rule, okay. 3 by 8 rule. So yn plus 3 into y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus so on plus 2 into, this is and I'll tell you, and this is 2 into multiple of 3, okay. I think I've made a mistake, okay. This is not 3. Multiple of 3, okay. I can write for this y1 y2 and 2 into this y3 plus y6 plus y1 plus y2 plus y4 plus so on, right? Or we can write I equal to 3h upon 8 first term plus final term, initial term plus final term plus 2 into multiple of 3 plus 3 into remaining term, okay. 2 into multiple of 3 and this is 3 not, it's a 4 into 2 into multiple of 3 and 4 into remaining term, okay. All remaining 4 into all remaining, okay. So these are the 3 methods by which we can solve, will solve integration, okay. We can solve the integration. So now I'm going to solve one question by 3 methods, okay. Okay. Question is, then these formulas are going to be more clear, okay. Okay. So question is, integration -1 to 3 integration minus 1 to 3 Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay, well, so first we'll find h. Okay, h, we know that h is xn minus x naught, okay, upon n. N is the, n we know, right? N is number of interval. Okay, number of interval, number of interval. So how many number of interval? 1, 2, 3, 4. N value is 4. Okay, this is x naught, this is x1, this is x2, this is x3, and this is x4, and this is y naught, this is y1, y2, y3, and y4. N equal to number of interval. Okay, and now we'll put the value. Xn is the last term, that is 3 minus x naught. X naught is minus 1, right? This is minus 1 upon n. N is 4, right? So this is going to be 4 by 4, that is 1. So value of n is value of h is 1. Okay, now we'll use trapezoidal rule. Okay, so by trapezoidal rule, I is going to be h by 2. Okay, h by 2, first term and last term means y naught plus y4. In this case there are 4 terms, right? This one, y naught plus y4 into plus 2 into remaining term, right, for the trapezoidal. So 2 into this one, 2 into this is the trapezoidal rule, guys. This one, h by 2, y naught by, then 2 into remaining term, right? So this is going to be 2 into remaining term means that is y1 plus y2 plus y3, right? Now we'll put the value. So h value is 1, guys. Okay, so 1 by 2, and y naught value is this minus 1. Y naught value is minus 1. Minus 1. Have you made any mistake? Let me just check. Okay, this is y naught. Okay, yeah, y naught is 1, guys. Not, this is x naught. Okay, so y naught value is 1. Okay, y naught value is 1 plus y4 value is this is y4, right? 5 plus 2 into y1. Y1 is this 5 plus y2. Y2 is this 3 plus y3. Y3 is 1. Okay, so this value is going to be, I is going to be very simple method, guys. So 1 by 2. Okay, so this is going to be 6 plus 5, 3, 8, 9. 9 into 9 into 2 means 18, right? So this is going to be 24 by 2, that is 12. Okay, so from trapezoidal method the integration of this value is 12. Okay, now we'll solve the same question by Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, second is by Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, by Simpson's 1/3 rule. Okay, so this is by Simpson's 1/3 rule. It is going to be like this one. This I is going to be h by 3 y naught plus y4, right? First term and last term, plus 2 into this one 2 into sum of even number, right? Sum of even, right? So this one I'll show you. 2 into this one, sum of even, and this is 4 into sum of odd. Okay, so this is going to be 2 into sum of even means y2 plus just y2. Okay, just y2, because there are only 4 terms, right? y2 plus 4 into sum of odd means y1 plus y3. Okay, well, so this is going to be, this value is going to be now, h value is 1, we have already found, right? 1 by 3 into y1 is, y0 is 1, y4 is 5, right? Here I'll show you this one. This is 5 there, right? So these values are going to be this, plus 2 into y2, y2 value is uh, 3. This is y2 3. Okay, and y1 and y3 is 1 plus 6. Solve it now. Sorry, this is 1 plus 5, guys. This is this is 1, y3 is 1, and y1 is 5. 5 plus 1, right? 5 plus 1. 36 upon 3 means 12. This is also giving the same answer, right? Now we'll solve the same question by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. By Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay, by Simpson's 3 by 8 rule. Okay, okay, so same, I is there, is a formula for it, right? 3h upon 8, I have already told, right? This is this one, y0 plus y4, initial term plus final term, right? Then 2 into multiple of 3 means there is only y3, right? y3, and plus 3 into remaining term, right? Remaining term, that is y1 plus y3. Okay, so this is going to be, I is going to be 3 into 1 upon 8, y1 and this 1 plus 5, right? And 2 1, guys. Okay, y3 is 1, this y3 is 1. Okay, plus 3 into remaining term y1 and y3 is 5, and 5 y1 and y3, 5 and 1, not 3. Okay, this is 3, guys. Okay, so this is going to be, value of I is going to be, okay, so well, guys, so Simpson 1/3 rule, Simpson 3 by 8 rule, trapezoidal rule, and interpolation, about interpolation, and this one, the Newton forward interpolation, right? So this is completed, guys. So mathematics is up, is completed almost, right? There is one more lecture which is remaining, in which I'm going to discuss green function, and mathematics is going to be completed. So this is 34th lecture, so mathematics is going to be completed in 35th lecture. Okay, well, guys, also I would like to request the students who haven't subscribed my channel yet. Okay, please subscribe my channel and watch my free live lectures, which are going to help you to crack the exams related to physical science. Okay, okay, guys, just give me 1 second, guys. The camera is not working. Okay, so it is working now. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Bye now.